Today I am excited to be participating in the DIY Mommy's Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge. So below in the description box there will be a playlist linked of all sorts of Christmas DIY and decor videos. So you're going to want to be sure and check that out. Today I am doing an evergreen / Christmas tree themed tiered tray with these items you see here and this black galvanized 3-tiered tray. So right here I'm taking this little jar that I got at the Target Dollar Spot and I'm filling it with pine cones that I purchased at Dollar General. I got 12 of these pine cones for $1. I thought that was a really good deal, and they even have little loops on them if I want to hang them later on in a different project. I'm using the pine cones, I'm using bottle brush trees, I'm using some wood pieces, I'm using some greenery. I even have a little reindeer that has some wooden accents on him, just to keep it in that evergreen kind of foresty type of theme that I'm using here. That large plastic bulb is from the Dollar Tree. I'm just using that in the back as a filler. Of course, when you're doing a tiered tray, you're going to put your larger items towards the back so that they can be seen better. My tray is going to be up against a wall, so I don't necessarily need to worry about decorating the back of it. And I put that jar in there, and then I'm adding these little poofs that I have. They're little ornaments, and those came from Hobby Lobby, I believe, last year. And they kind of remind me of snowballs. Maybe have a snowball fight in the forest, so I thought I would add those in, and it gives it just a little bit of a different texture. I have that wooden sphere also, that's from Hobby Lobby. And now I'm adding in some greenery. So I'm moving on to the middle tier, and here I'm using some lamb's ear in a galvanized pot that I believe this also came from the Dollar Spot at Target. That little gift with the wooden beads on it, I just loved. That came from Hobby Lobby. And again, I'm using the larger items towards the back, just trying to get it centered the way that I want it there. Theme actually happened by accident. I was purchasing bottle brush trees mostly at the Target Dollar Spot, and I just really love them. And last year I got this little house that says Tree Farm Clearance at JoAnn's, and I've had that since last season. And when I looked at all of these things and put them all together, I realized, oh, I can do a Christmas tree themed tiered tray. So I was really happy to be able to do that. I did purchase this greenery from JoAnn's this year. It was half off, and then I got an extra 25% that weekend. But I do have a video. I can link that below in case you're interested. I'm calling this a Christmas tree themed tiered tray or evergreen themed tiered tray. You could put this up for Christmas. You could leave this up all winter. This could stay up after Christmas also. So here is my top tier. I have this great little reindeer that I got at Dollar General. He was really inexpensive. And my two more bottle brush trees. This one was clearance from JoAnn last year. And then I also have this one that I got for $1 at the Target Dollar Spot also, this little thin one. I think that's so cute. I'm going to top it off with my bell from the Target Dollar Spot and also another little snowball poof ornament. That's what I call them, from Hobby Lobby. So I hope you like my tier tray. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. There it is on my bookcase. And it was a lot of fun doing this video. Be sure to check out the playlist that I will have linked below, the DIY Mommy's DIY and Decor Challenge, that you will see all the other Christmas DIY and decor videos. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. You can subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more, or hit the like button if you liked this video.